Welcome back guys to Mommy Podcast. So, wacha tuendelee mapenzi tulikuwa. Kasongo alitengenezea Sifuna jina. Yeye ni fundi and that's the reality. Leo ikiangalia ranking ya Sifuna iko juu. Then furthermore, wacha kwanza turudi kwa pande ya politics za Western Kenya. Sifuna ameweza kuleta baadhi ya viongozi wale wa kizamani kwenye nini? Kwenye vuguvugu lake. Na hii ninaongelelea kuhusu kama jina kama Amos Wako na Fred Gumo. These are two, let me say them, they are two permanent figures in leader ya Western in terms of wale wenye walikuwa kitambo. Unaona? Walikuwa na ushawishi at those days. Leo hii kama hautakuwa na Sifuna ukiwa pande ya Western, you're gonna have a problem in terms of being selected again in parliament. Na kama Fred Gumo alienda kaongelesha Amos Wako na wote wanaweza kumsupport. That's a big change. That's a big change kabisa. Kwa sababu siasa mara mingi unahitaji wacha niseme kuungwa mkono. Ukiungwa mkono na baadhi ya wale waliokuwa kitambo, so raia wanaona this is the right person for us to do what? To select. Then kuna hii issue ya there's two different issues here. You want to become a president and people need you to become a president. Those are two different things. Okay. And let me explain why I'm saying there are two different things. Let us look in terms of Mudavadi and our leader speaker, Moses Masika Wetangula. Mudavadi, he wanted to be a president. Not the people from Western wanted him to be a president. Himself, he decided, okay, I'm enough person to run for the president of Kenya. Hiyo ni tofauti sana. Na Sifuna ni people need him to run for president. Naona wale penye hiyo tofauti ipo. Raia ndiye nataka Sifuna aende for president. Ule mwingine yeye ndiye alikuwa anataka aende for president. So hapo kuna mgawanyiko kidogo. Because when people decide, they will give you vote. When you decide for yourself you need to become a president, it means you're going to use a lot of money. So that people may know you and may decide to vote for you. I think I've explained myself in terms of those two different things. Between becoming a president, you have decided to want to be a president, and people has decided for you so you can be a president. Those are two different things. So in terms of Sifuna, people has decided for him to become a president. He didn't decide for himself to become a president. Those are two different things. Now, let me come back to the issue of there's this issue of money. We all know that before you say that you want to become a president, you must have a certain amount of money so that you can run your campaign smoothly. Okay? Smoothly in terms of campaigning. When we look at Sifuna, yes, the guy hana pesa mingi. Compared to those leaders that need to become a president, those they have money. Now, people decided to help Mr. Sifuna in terms of raising money. And I think I'm going to make another video. Because you see, when people donated money, especially billionaires, when they donate money towards your campaign, they normally expect a return or a favor when you have become a president. That's the problem. Na hii shida si shida kidogo. Si shida kidogo, ni shida kubwa sana. Because when contracts za gava, kama nimedonate kitu kama 10 billion, nakwambia hebu nipatie nini? Nipatie hiyo contract. Which you cannot even refuse, because I'm the one who helped you to become what? A president, due to my money. When people give you money to do a campaign with, now it becomes that those people are the one who owns you. I know these are called mwananchi. They expect you to deliver for them more, because they fundraised your campaign, not billionaires who fundraise your campaign. You see, that's another issue there. Okay,